I've had a really difficult time finding cleaning wipes, which is kind of crazy because they're usually everywhere, but I guess people have stocked up on them. So if you find yourself in the same situation as me and you can't find cleaning wipes and you need them for your home, let me show you a really good way to make them. So what you need to do is start with some good paper towel. I have some Bounty here, but you can use whatever brand you want. This particular roll was unraveled by my 4-year-old, so it's perfect for this project. So we just take it and with a sharp serrated knife. Right. So there we go. 2 halves. It's not pretty, but it will totally work. Then, if you have an old baby wipe container lying around, this is perfect. If you have a Tupperware container, that's perfect too. All you have to do is take this, you're gonna pull the middle roll out of the center. Just kind of ease it out here. You can also do this when it's wet. And then depending on what kind of cleaner you like to use, I usually like to go pretty natural in my house, but I have to be honest with you, during this pandemic, I've definitely gone back to a deep and enduring love of bleach. But if you love Lysol or if you love Pine Sol, all of those will work. So once you've got that out, all you have to do is take this and put it in your container. Now, it doesn't fit yet. Hang on, totally go. So now you take a liter of water. I used warm water, but I don't think it really matters. And you have your choice, either some bleach or some household cleaner. As I mentioned before, I'm going to go with bleach just because it's the one I like. And the ratio for both is a 1/4 cup of either bleach or household cleaner to 1 liter of water. And this will give you the power to disinfect everything you're cleaning. Now remember, of course, with bleach, it's not color safe, so if you're worried about it discoloring any surfaces in your home, then you may want to go ahead and use some cleaner like Lysol or Pine Sol. And from here, you just take it and you pour it all over your paper towel. And because it's paper towel's full job, the paper towel will absorb all of the liquid that you're putting on. So when you go to use it, you'll already have your bleach right in there. The cool thing about using something like a baby wipe holder is that when you find the middle, the center of this paper towel, it'll just feed out like wipes. So you can push it up through here and you'll have a disposer for your very own homemade cleaning wipes. Hopefully that's helpful to you.